A Colorado liquor store was robbed twice in one night, according to the owners, with surveillance cameras showing a Hummer ramming through the store windows. Two people got out of the vehicle, one of them going in to access the ATM. But since it was bolted to the ground, the suspects determined the best way to loosen it would be to hit it with the vehicle, which they did. They then secured a chain around the ATM and the cryptocurrency machine and tried to pull them out with the Hummer. Unfortunately for them, the chain snapped. They then tried to pull the machines out of the store with their bare hands. They were able to load the cryptocurrency machine into the bed of the truck, but after a third or fourth attempt of the ATM, they broke it apart and were able to make it out with the cash box. By the time the police showed up, the suspects were gone. When the owner showed up hours later, he was robbed yet again when someone went through the store and stole random merchandise. The uploader of this TikTok video says that their neighbors got robbed by two gunmen.
What?
This person tried to steal the Ring doorbell camera from this home, but wasn't smart enough to realize that it was bolted on. In this video, a strange man asks this homeowner if he can use the bathroom, but the homeowner says that he doesn't feel comfortable with him doing that.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Sorry, that's going good. May I use your restroom?
Nah, but I don't feel comfortable with that. I'm sorry.
It's alright, it's cool.
Yeah, or do you live around here or something, or what?
No, I'm just in the area and I don't really have anywhere else to go.
Oh, the community center might be okay, but I don't know you, bud. I'm not comfortable with that one. Sorry.
Sorry. Thank you, though.
Watch this attempted robber fail spectacularly at his mission.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi, can I help you?
Yeah. We work around here.
Sorry, what?
And I work around here.
You work here?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you looking for?
I worked for your property before, a long time.
I don't know. Are you looking for someone, or can I help you with something?
Yeah, I do your driveway, do the step, do the tile before a long time.
Okay, I guess you might be working with the previous owner, but I don't know you. I don't recognize you.
Oh, okay. I am
Yeah.
on the job before. The tile in the front of your house before a long time. And your daddy?
I'm sorry.
Hello? Hello?
Yes. Tell me. I'm not at home. I'll be there in some time. I don't know what
I'm
it's
the
regarding,
one
but we.
tile the step before for your property in the
Okay.
front house.
What are you looking for? I'm sorry. I'm in a meeting right now, but can you tell me what are you looking for?
You know nobody house?
Yeah. Right now I'm outside. I'm gonna be there in about 15-20 minutes. I'm out on a meeting, so I'll be home in 15-20 minutes.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, yeah.
Thank you.
According to this uploader, this man thought that he was going to break into their apartment.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
The uploader says that they were asleep on the couch, and the incident scared them to death. At about 1 in the morning, this guy broke this homeowner's window, trying to get in. But unfortunately for him, the police were waiting just behind him on the street. This is a classic case of instant karma. Look at this incredibly disturbing lady trying to break into this person's house in the middle of the night.
Don't worry about her. No.
Hey, you need to leave.
Why?
Well, I'm home.
You shot your pants. And you better let me cover them up. We're not covering them up. My son's in there. Yeah, you better. I got you caught up here. You're in trouble, Paul. Oh, Chris. Don't let me in, Chris. Paul. Chris, come on. Get him now.
All right, you need to leave out. They're going to law it.
I'm a witness. Get it. No, you're going to get it. You're good up here right now. I don't need to leave. So this to me. You attack me tonight, you better work. Now, you're right. I got all the video. You're off. You're off.
Get out there and break our wall.
Okay, I'm gonna go touch your mom and your dad. Then that's the story. You're not cut them up to throw to death.
Go, you dumbass. Get out of there, you dumbass. Go.
This TikToker writes, a man showed up to my porch and dropped something. I called my boys, and this is what I caught my son saying on my Ring camera.
Look down on the porch because he bent down.
The door locked.
I got the key.
Where you trying to get?
Shit. Ain't shit in there. Oh. My fault, Mom. It's the top lock. Oh, this the wrong key. She locked both of the doors. Bro, what?
What
What the fuck is this?
Let's go to the house.
He don't look like him. Mikhail just went down there. He said something to him? No. He's going down. To where? To where? Where my kid? On the house. Where?
Look.
Girl, I'm going down the street.
Look.
We ain't see nobody.
Look.
Where he at? Spider. Where you at? You see anybody with a gray hoodie on?
This scumbag attempted to enter this house, but unfortunately for them, the alarm got activated. The soon-to-be victim ran so fast that the camera didn't even pick him up leaving. According to the uploader, the guy in this video had previously tried to break into their house. He has not been identified to this day. When this guy was caught trying to break into this house in broad daylight, he was confronted by the homeowner. He then gives one of the worst excuses you'll hear in a while, saying that he thought this was his house.
Fuck is that nigga? Hey, yo, what you need?
My bad. I thought this was my house.
Why are you trying to open the door?
Because I thought it was my house. My fault.
Hey, get out of here, bro.
Alright.
Come on, shut up in the phone. What the? I don't know. Esta madre a la verga, güey. Ahí está parado afuera el pendejo.
This guy was caught stealing from this homeowner who had just moved into the place less than a month ago.
You are currently being recorded. Hi, you are currently being recorded.
In Pembroke Pines, Florida, an unknown man is seen walking up to a house. He wiggles the doorknob and tries to get in, but thankfully is unable to do so.
Hello? Hello? Who are you?
A Ring doorbell video shows a break-in happening at this house in the Iowa City area. The uploader of this TikTok writes, "Last week I had an attempted robbery. I've been checking my doorbell camera ever since and I've managed to catch them this time. Reported it to the police and they have also tried my neighbors." Watch out for your packages because this doorbell video proves that these thieves are getting out of hand. December 4th of 2021, this total creep was caught sneaking around this yard in the middle of the night. This robber was caught on Ring doorbell camera trying to kick down this door. This robbery gone wrong shows the suspect running away so fast that they may as well have just turned into the Flash. This shirtless weirdo was caught on camera sneaking around this place while it was empty. However, the uploader is convinced that this video will send him to jail, writing, "Enjoy prison, buddy." Watch this punk stealing a package from a homeowner in broad daylight. On August 27th of 2022, this kid approached the uploader with a knife, attempting to rob him and acting tough, until the uploader pulled out a bat. A shocking Ring doorbell video shows just how fast you could be robbed without even expecting it.
I don't have no money. Tanisha said you got the money. I swear, it's in there. It's in there. It's in there. It's in there. Help me.
The person who uploaded this video is urging viewers to stay aware of their kids because we don't ever truly know who is outside.
Who got to go?
Andrea Hust says that her Ring doorbell camera caught this person trying to break into her house. This hilariously dumb crook seemingly forgot that the homeowner actually has access to the Ring camera.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm in front of my own house. I'm installing a door. What the hell's going on? I'm installing my door. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm in front of my own house installing this. I don't know how.
James, there's somebody at our house.
No, it's not.
Look outside. Hello?
Yes, I'm not at your house. I'm at my house. I don't know how your camera is connected to my doorbell. I was just trying to set it up.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property now.
I'm not on your property, ma'am.
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm not in front of your house. Can you see what I'm pointing at?
James! There's a black man at our door! Sir? Sir!
Yes.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property.
I'm not on your property.
What's your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Can you see what I'm doing? Do you see this?
No.
This is what I'm doing. This is me standing here. This is not your property, ma'am. I don't know how your Ring doorbell is connected to mine. I'm trying to figure it out. But I'm not at your house. I'm at my own property. You see? Can you see?
Royal, you are... Royal.
Are you connected to this? So talking about a black man at my door. Like, how you can I hook the same one back up or some shit?
Royal,
Yeah.
it's me.
How the f on here?
Bye. Bye.
No, like what the f? Why would you play with me like that? Crazy talking about it's a black guy at my door.
This creep rang this doorbell about 15 times at 1:45 in the morning.
Hello? Hey.
What's up?
Hey, can you call me a ride?
No, I can't. Get on the porch.
Notice the hospital release bracelet and bag. The uploader notes that he was most likely just released about 10 blocks away. Take a look at this suspicious robber who got caught on camera. Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. This intoxicated man ends up knocking himself out while trying to break into this house. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.